The following movie is rated R.
So I'm doing my 50-hour service on a big old Bobcat.
Big old Bobcat!
Bought all my oils from Jenkins, the new Bobcat dealer here in Crystal River. If you're looking for a Bobcat or you're looking to get your Bobcat service, go check these guys out. They're pretty good. I have all the oils, but I ordered the filters online thinking I'd get them here cheaper and faster, but I was wrong. Jenkins actually gave me the oil a little cheaper than I could get online. So now I'm going to go pick up just the 3 filters I really need. I don't have to change the air filter. I don't have to change the fuel filter at the 50 hour. But the hydrostatic, the hydraulic, and the engine oil, I can change all those oils. And it's better to have Bobcat OEM equipment because I did get a 5-year warranty on this. I'll use all Bobcat stuff. And if anything goes wrong, they can't say nothing. So these are going back. 3 of the 5 filters I got were wrong. Amazon. So what are we going to take today? We're taking the KPX, boys. Should have enough room to fit them filters in here. Yeah, it's only 3 of them. Oh yeah, gotta love fuel injection. And this is the same engine as in that cruiser, boys. The good motor. Proven motor, actually. Haven't had any rain in a while, so sugar sand is sugary. KPX 250 is my favorite dual sport China bike. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's a bit more money, but I think you get what you pay for. Although I don't like sending my money to China, I'm waiting for a good American dual sport light, a little 250 or 400 or something. And as I'm sure everybody knows, China makes all the parts for pretty much everybody. Only this thing. Oh, that was a deep hole. Alright, who did that? I came through the other day and the generator was still in there. Well, looks like it's got hydraulic leveler still under there. Someone took the generator already. Who the heck would do that? Now that's the one that was stuck in the mud, wasn't it? Isn't it? I'm gonna have to look back. Nope, not the same RV. I don't think that was burnt. I think that was completely stripped. It was parked over there. And for like a day or two. And it moved over here. Who did that? Well, oh yeah, she's Sugar Sandy. Beautiful day for a bike ride. You might be getting one of these, different brand to try out. Put it on the RPS Cruiser. Chiggy brand's really good though. I've tested out 3 or 4 of theirs and they're pretty rock solid. The prices aren't crazy ridiculous. I do have another one of these I'm finishing up. Put it on our Braz Recon. It's a pretty nice unit too. Comes with the wheel sensors, TPMS sensors, you know. Whoa! What in the world? Did you see that? Jeez. Kind of why I don't like riding on these main roads. I guess we could find some back roads to take on the way home. Got a Harley pulled up behind us. Oh, you want some, do you? You didn't want to open this old KPX up. Good day for a ride.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good.
Nice.
You're on the wrong side. That side's really noisy, so I'll try not to be too ignorant.
What's that?
I said this side's a bit ignorant for loud.
Oh, that's good. That's all right.
I didn't even hear yours, but I like it.
Oh, see that vet? It's a girl. See if that vet will race that Harley. C7. the money, I'd probably buy a C7. I had the C6 for a while, and I love that, which my son has now. As you see in the garage. Yeah, if I had to pick, the C8's nice too, but I think I like the C7 better. The C6 I picked up was a Hurricane Sandy fix-up that I did. Got it cheap. If I could ever find a deal like that, I want a C7. Somebody's calling, I don't know who it is. Decline. Good job. That's what you got to worry about too. Getting rear-ended. But I look behind me. There it is. Their sign's not lit up. Hmm, 13 miles to here? I didn't think it was that far. Talk to Jeff.
A few moments later.
Thank you, Jeff. Go see Jeff if you need parts. There. She's good. We'll take the back way. Take Duncan Field. Take the power lines. Sugar Sandy. See? It's a bit squirrely. This stuff is powder. Whoa! Oh, baby. Oh man. Gotta love that sugar sand. That was fun. That's it. I need a bigger garage. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get to work. I was literally here earlier on a bike, and now someone came and cut the frame off of it already. Man, they work fast around here.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.